In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a collection in Lightroom Classic. Let's dive right into it by moving over to the Library module. Here, you will find the Collections panel. It's your starting point and where the magic begins. Locate the collection of photos that you wish to export. Simply click on it and you'll see all the photos appear right before you. Now, it's time to select the images within the collection that you want to export. If you're aiming to export every photo in the collection, there's a handy shortcut for you. Just use Ctrl or CMD+A on your keyboard, and bingo! All of your photos are selected in a flash. Of course, if you only want specific photos, no problem. Click on the first photo, and then hold the Shift key while you click on the last one, and you've selected a range. With your photos selected, you'll want to move on to the Export dialog. You can find it by clicking on File in the top menu and then selecting Export. Alternatively, there's often a more direct route. Just click the Export button visible on your screen. What this does is open up a whole world of options for customizing how your images are exported. Now, let's pause here for a moment, as this is where you get to decide what's best for your images. The Export dialog allows you to set your preferred export locations. You can specify exactly which folder these images will be saved to and even create a subfolder if you like keeping things tidy and organized. File naming is another important aspect, letting you uniquely identify each image, so consider how you'd like to label each one. Moving on to file settings, you can choose the format of your images, whether that's JPEG, TIFF, or even DNG. It's all about what suits your needs best. Under image sizing, you have control over the size and resolution of your photos. Think about where they'll be used. If it's for the web, smaller files are more ideal, whereas high resolution is key for prints. And don't forget about output sharpening, metadata, and watermarking options, all crucial depending on your end use. Maybe you want a bit of sharpening for some extra clarity, or perhaps you're keen on adding watermarks for copyright reasons. Once you've gone through these settings and everything looks perfect to you, it's time to execute the final step. Click the Export button, and Lightroom Classic will dutifully export all the photos according to the specifications you've chosen. And there you have it. You've successfully exported a collection from Lightroom Classic, and now your images are ready for whatever comes next, whether that's sharing, uploading, or further processing. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.